This is a fast charger and we are doing a review on it today. This is mainly designed for anything like a notebook or iMac or a phone, tablet, anything like that that has a Type C connection. You should be able to use this. It's supposed to have an intelligent chip inside to recognise whatever device you are plugging into it, so it doesn't come up with an error, hopefully anyway, and it's supposed to be really fast at charging. Also, it has a very long cable, about 6.5 feet long, so it should have a good length to it. So in this video we're going to do unboxing, see what you get for your money, and then I'm going to plug it into my phone, which is a OnePlus 8 Pro, and see if it charges up, because it doesn't actually say that it charges up my phone, but it should do, because it's got a little chip in it that says, oh yeah, I know that one, I can charge it up. So with that, let's get on with it. Right, let's have a quick look around the box then. I don't imagine there'll be much to have a look at. So it says notebook AC adapter. So like I said, it's for notebook or iMac, whatever you want to call it. 750C high flame up retarded, that's what it says. Over voltage protection, over current protection. Very good, very good. And a bit of information there that I'm not going to read it out. So with that, let's get her open. Oh, it comes with a plug. Different, isn't it? Yeah. Not seen one like this before. Have a little play about that in a minute. So you have the unit itself. Let's get it all out, shall we? Right, so that is everything you get. That is weird, isn't it? Right, so it's in some sort of sleeve. What's that do? No idea. Oh, that's for that, isn't it? Oh, I see. So that will go. Aha! And that's just a cover there. How's that come off in? Ah. Oh, very nice. I quite like the way they've done that. It's very good. So USB Type C connection, a plug that locks in place. That's really good. I'm quite impressed with that. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think it's really cool. So it's quite square, as you can see. Instructions. I will not be reading the instructions, and USB charging cable, which looks quite long. I reckon at least a metre, maybe 1.5, maybe 2 metres. Let's get that. I'll have a measure up and tell you exactly how long it is. Actually, I think that might actually be 2 metres. So I'm going to go and measure up now and you will know straight away. Yeah, I definitely think that's 2 metres. Right, that is definitely 2 metres long. So what we're going to do now is, my phone is about to die. It's got what, 14% left on it. So I'm going to be charging it up using this little device here. It's quite big actually, and it's got a nice bit of weight to it, and it doesn't feel slippery, in case you wanted to know. It's a nice texture to it. Soft, smooth, but not slippery. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get an extension lead and put it on here, so you can see it all being plugged in and see whether or not it charges up. It should do, but you never know. Anything can happen. Right, let's plug her in then. I suppose it doesn't matter which end you plug in, because they're both USB Type C connections. So that one in there and that one in there. And just in case I didn't tell you earlier, this is the OnePlus 8 Pro, and that's charging up. Let me just turn that off like that. Unplug it. Battery may be, yeah, I know it's running out. Go away. We'll plug it in again, because you'll see it coming up on the charge. There you go. So it's 14%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it running, see how long it actually takes from 14% to do up to 100%. It is now, it's 9 minutes to 4 o'clock. I'm not going to leave it here, I'm not going to record it, I'm going to give you a rough idea exactly how long it takes. So with that, I'm going to click my fingers, if I can, like that, and I'll be back. Right, I did move it and I did make a quick phone call using it, so it should be really on 100% by now. But like I said, I did actually use it for a couple of minutes. But it's showing 99%, so I'm really pleased with that. It took 2 hours approximately. 2 hours to go from 14% to basically 100%. I know it says 99. Yeah. Try not to be too fussy about it. But yeah, not bad, not bad. I thought it was pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think that is good, bad or whatever. And that is cold, by the way. It's not getting warm or anything like that. It's staying pretty cool. Yeah, very pleased. There's no light on it to say it's working, but obviously your phone is charging up, so you know it's working, or your tablet or your MacBook, whatever you're using. Yeah, there's no light. Doesn't seem to get hot or even warm. I can't even feel it getting warm. Like I said, I did have to use it, and yeah, very pleased. I like the look of it. Does look a bit like a brick. If I was totally honest with you, but yeah, it's very different. I'm sorry, I'm just looking around, seeing if there is a light. There isn't, is there? There's no light. You don't really need a light as long as you know it's working. And you know, when you plug it into a device, you know it's working. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think. Whether you want something like this, and whether you think it's any good, you know, if you've already got one for your MacBook or something like that, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money, and it does help the channel to keep growing. And please let all your family know as well. Family, friends, tell them, get on Yorkies Bits and Bobs. He wants to grow a big channel, and he can't do it without yous. Thank you very much for watching.